Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Chrome extension on your Android phone. First, you need to install the Yandex Browser. You can easily download it from the Play Store. Once it's installed, open the browser and search for the Chrome Web Store. Then go to the store, search for any extension you want and install it. To show you how it works, I am going to install a free VPN extension. After installing it, you can close your tabs if you want, then tap on the three dots in the corner. Now scroll down and open extensions. Then select the extension and set it up. Now I will quickly set up the VPN and connect it. As you can see, it opens in the new window, and now the VPN is working through the extension. That's how you can use Chrome extension on your Android phone. Hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.